Baby booming.
That's it? Why is that funny?
Daddy, yeah, daddy.
It's my love. It's your love. It's my love. And I be thinking of always our love. So love.
Some cars be too small. If you got like if you got a Cadillac.
I got a Hummer.
You got a Hummer?
Yeah. We can do it in the back seat.
I guess not.
All right, so are you a backseat or hotel type of shorty? Like, which one do you prefer, backseat or hotel? Hotel?
I like driving.
So you... What?
What?
So you like doing it while driving or something?
Oh, no. Hotel.
So hotel?
Yeah.
You don't like the thrill of, like, fucking in a car?
Nah, I'm too bougie for that.
You too bougie? All right, so have you ever fake moaned during sex?
Yes.
Every
Every woman in the whole
What about you?
Yes.
So what does you guys fake moan sound like?
No.
You're not gonna... All right, can we get a 360 for the people out there? Can I spin you around? I want to spin you around, yeah. Hold my hand. Next question is, are you a backseat or hotel type of shorty?
Definitely hotel.
Hotel? Why hotel though? You don't like the thrill?
I don't like the car.
So you don't like to experience stuff?
I mean, yeah.
So what's the craziest place y'all had sex in then?
Nowhere crazy.
Nowhere? So y'all just vanilla with it?
Yeah.
Boring.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Look good. Head to ankle. Head to ankle. Not even toes.
She even offered to wear the socks instead of mom. That's how bad the toes look. Shit, I'm in gloves right now.
What you gotta say to the people out there?
She said socks. Bitch, you need gloves.
This motherfucker's out here dirty as a bitch. This nigga got the grill and everything. He said, hey, come here, young buck. On your way to the concert right now. Look, he said, I almost got a GTR. He said, I got these straight from Portillo's right now. Drop them off.
Next question. So what kind of guys do you like? Huh? Hispanics? So you don't like, so you gotta stay in the race type shit. All right, next question. Are you a backseat or a hotel type of shorty?
Hotel.
Hotel? Why hotel though? Why y'all keep saying hotel? Y'all don't like the thrill of like getting fucked in the backseat?
I mean, I don't mind it, but I'd rather be in a hotel.
But what if the situation, you were right there, like, would you be tripping about it?
No.
No? All right, last question, then you can leave. Have you ever fake moaned before? You lying. I know you have.
No.
No? So you always real moan?
Yeah.
Can we hear your fake moan?
No.
Why not?
No. Why?
We just want to hear what the fake moan sounds so we can recognize it when when you say that shit, you know what I'm saying?
I'm good.
Baby booming.
Backseat. Come on. Are you a backseat or like hotel type of shorty?
What is that?
Like, you know, backseat.
What does that mean?
Like backseat of a car, or are you want to be in like a hotel?
Backseat of a car? Who would say backseat of a car? You better have the hotel. You better have the hotel with the flower petals.
What you mean? You that
roses
bougie?
on the bed, and I want music like the violin.
Sit the fuck down.
We just.
You better be a little dark. I'm just kidding.
So which one do you want though? Like, do you like the thrill of
Who
getting?
the fuck would say backseat?
Cause that's what people do though.
Okay, both are fun, but it's like.
So which one do you prefer?
Like backseat is like some nice like spur of the moment type shit.
Okay.
But like I feel like every girl is gonna say hotel room because every girl wants a nice
That means you're
planned out date. Like that's just more effort, more thought put into it.
But
you know?
nah, I'm not saying first date though. We've done that first date. We just
no,
want
it's
to. We just
isn't a first date. I'm saying just a planned out, like a date. Like it's like planned out, like it's romantic. I'm a hopeless romantic.
So you want that?
But like backseat is cool if it's like some like spur of the moment, like we're driving, we're like on a road trip or some shit.
Yeah.
We pull over, the backseat will be fine. But I'm saying like the hotel room is definitely, and that hotel AC goes crazy. Don't get it fucked up.
All right, next question is, have you ever fake moaned before?
Absolutely.
For real?
Absolutely.
How many times?
For sure. I've never fake came because if you don't make me come, I'm not gonna give you that satisfaction. Like, oh yeah, you made me come. No, you didn't. Try again. Keep going.
So what does your fake moan
But
sound like?
moan, yeah. Fuck off.
For real?
I'm not gonna do that.
All right, what does your real moan sound like?
I'm not gonna real moan.
They just want to hear like,
you can't do
so
a
they
real
know.
moan. You can't
But
do
what
it.
is
It wouldn't be real. It's intense though.
But what is your
find
fake
out.
moan? Nah, let's just hear your fake moan though, because they just want to hear what it sounds like.
I can't do my fake moans like
That's it? Why is that funny? One more time.
Daddy, yeah, daddy.
All right, you want to give a 360 for the people out there? Let me hold your hand. I'm going to give it 360.
I just wanna make money with the same gang. Bring back new game with the same name. Whole team going with the same gang. Really want to get the same gang. These fucking different niggas with the same gang. Made this myself in the same gang. You wanna pop it, like it, dropping, I'm so hard. Here it comes. Oh no love. Now you can make love. When you in it, nobody. It's my love. It's your love.
Are you a backseat or hotel type of shorty? Hotel?
Yeah.
Why hotel? Why?
I mean,
you don't like the thrill of like
because
getting
I'm
fucked in the back?
21.
I know,
I'm grown.
but I know, yeah, but you gotta get the thrill too. You getting fucked in the
Trill?
back. Yeah.
Some cars be too small. If you got like if you got a Cadillac.
I got a Hummer. I got a Hummer.
You got Hummer?
Yeah. We can do it in the back seat.
I guess not.
All right, next question. Let's go. Let's do the last question. Then you can leave. All right. Have you ever fake moaned before?
No. I love moaning.
What it do, baby?
For real?
Be genuine, yeah.
Can we hear your fake moan?
I haven't fake moan. Okay, here's my fake moan. Nah, I don't know.
Do it. Come on. Let's hear it. That's it? Do one more for the people. All right, can we give you a 360 for the people watching? I'll spin you around. All right, ready? Two times. Sheesh. Nice to meet you. You got
sensational.
Then he must not be using his chair. If you thinking I don't keep blocking me, that's like suicide. If you play with us, got a better chance. Make the crowd dance, cool, not me. But I got the end and stop me. Two times rock me and drop a grill with a right on top of me. A lot of people that say I'm a piece. But I guess they don't get it. You don't guarantee it. I don't get it.
next question. Backseat or hotel type of shorty? Which one of y'all is?
Neither one.
Huh?
Neither one.
You don't like the thrill of getting fucking backseat? So what you prefer? at the crib?
Yeah.
All right, that's what's up. Which one do you do the most though? This crib? Okay. All right, last question. Have y'all ever fake moan before?
Hell yeah. Yeah, what?
Fake moan.
Yeah.
What does it sound like?
I'm sure you know.
I don't know what it sounds like.
I'm sure you know.
Nah.
Whatever. I don't know. Whatever.
What does it sound like? You wanna?
I can't do that.
Why not?
It sounds like a real
right
moan.
now.
It's fake. It's acting. It sounds
Yeah.
real.
So you can act right now. Act.
No, I'm not doing that.
So y'all do that?
That's
That's crazy.
I ain't doing that.
What does the real one sound like then?
Shit, like ass sound when we in the bed. I'm guessing.
The back seat. Yo, say something. Say something. All right, next question goes to you. Back seat or hotel? Which kind of girl are you? Which one do you prefer?
Neither.
Why? You don't like hotels?
Vacation.
Vacation?
Trip. Fly me out. Hey.
He gotta fly you out
Yes.
just to get in your.
Yes. It's spicy.
But which one do you guys do the most though? You guys don't like that doesn't turn you on? Back seat? Like having sex in the back seat doesn't turn you on?
No. Honestly, the second time I ever had sex was in the backseat.
That's not bad. Don't shame her for it. It's not a bad thing.
No.
So do you prefer hotel though or at home?
Over the backseat of a car?
Yeah.
Hotel. Is that even a long kind of question? Yeah.
All right, last one. This is the last one.
Okay.
Have you guys ever fake moaned before during sex?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause
Cause
you're
what?
in the mood. Yeah. Feel better. Yeah.
Fool this man!
You just want to look back. This is just a memories vlog. Sometimes you just want to look back and be like, damn, we was really out here doing it for the kids and shit. You know what I'm saying? It's not even for it's just for the kids to. Yeah.
Just people in general.
Just the people in general, you know, just so they can look back and be like, damn, nigga, y'all was out here. You know what I'm saying? Some people don't be out here, so we be out here.
Like, the turn up was real. Like,
Yeah.
this is authentic as hell.
And look at all this, like, this is Chicago for y'all, man. Like, we eat good, you know what I'm saying? You eat good, you listen to good music, and you just be out here. We got girls over here looking some slight. Might be a fullback, but she ain't sitting on my beef. But, you all right.
Hell no.
You all right. Give me that. I'm in Chicago. You gotta get a little bit of sun.
Got to.
Let's look what we got in here. Let's give y'all a little peek. Niggas just threw my shit in. Just threw my shit in there, like.
You gotta go to Mikey's store.
Yeah, telling y'all right now. Can't get. They don't got no sign, but shit. Look what they did. Nigga just threw my shit in there.
Wait till you taste that motherfucker though. That's how hood's supposed to taste right there.
Oh, they just throw it in.
Yeah, bro.
They just throw it in.
Taste that motherfucker.
Throw it in the bag.
Taste that motherfucker.
Oh. They do got a sign. Mickey's. Come through.